Bourbon Peaches and Cream Pancakes made on the Blackstone. Let me show you how I like to do it. Bourbon Peaches and Cream Pancakes. Let's not overcomplicate things, guys. Make some delicious pancakes. I like to use the box. Make homemade if you like. Either way, Sprite is a really fun hack in order to make your pancakes a little fluffier, a little sweeter, a little more delicious. But let's talk about the star of the show, shall we? Bourbon Peaches. Get some fresh peaches if you can. If you don't have them, you can use the can as a substitute. But I highly recommend fresh. Go down with some peaches, some brown sugar, then a little bourbon because we're fancy and we're gonna flambe these guys. Don't burn your hand like I did. And then let's start to build these guys. I like to put cream in between each pancake, stack them as high as you want, serve it with bacon, powdered sugar, peaches, bourbon, syrup, all the things that every morning breakfast needs. Someone's learning things.
And you can see. Poles are perfect for holding water, man.
Pancakes, they are the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast.
Pancakes!
Except for these ones. These ones are not. Dude, bourbon, peaches, and cream pancakes?
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure
I think
about
so.
that?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Possibly. I don't know. We'll see. Never made them before. Charlie! So pancakes, guys. Let's get going. I've said this many times before, and I'll say it again. Man, I love being a turtle. Pancakes.
Totally unrelated.
Apparently. Oh.
Whoa.
Those aren't the
Whoa.
joys you're looking for. Pancakes, apparently, without me knowing, got to like my, let's see, it would have probably been my early 20s. I didn't know that you could make pancakes homemade, because I didn't.
Into your 20s?
Yeah. Because my
That adds
mom,
up.
my mom never made pancakes homemade. I mean, we make them in a box. So this is also, all right, look, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. It's just boxed pancake stuff.
Okay.
So I can use Sprite.
It's not just box, it's
Crusties.
That was my joke. I was saving it for later.
Yeah, well, so's my brother, but he still needs headlights.
So I've done this before. Sprite
It's a good move.
in your pancake batter.
Your inner 8-year-old is showing, but it's a good move.
I'm fine with that.
I bet.
We're all fine with that. Esty, are you fine with that?
totally.
Everybody? Esty.
Esty? Everybody.
And then he spoke of a girl of surpassing beauty and faithfulness. I can only assume he meant you.
You're gonna start to see her on set a whole lot more. It's Ethan's girlfriend. Anyway. I digress. We're making pancake mix. Use whatever you've traditionally done when it comes to your pancakes. I traditionally don't make them homemade. So there. I also traditionally...
Yeah, I know.
Anyway,
You know.
so we're gonna head over here in just a moment. Actually,
I
let's
was
head
going
over
to say
there.
it, but I didn't have a good joke. I just thought Rorschach. 'Cause that looks like great state of Louisiana.
That's so... All right, you know what? I need
Or, my dad not giving me new skates when I was a kid.
It actually looks like a little arm, like
There's a bicep. Oh.
it's like somebody's got some past turmoil they've not dealt with. Let's ring it and come back
a
when
lot
it's
of
time
turmoil.
to make some pancakes. Now, before we get going with our pancakes on the Blackstone, we've got to get some bacon going on. Why, you ask? Why do bourbon peaches and cream pancakes need bacon?
Why's the pause track work on a Chrysler?
Just because it does.
It just does.
So, get your bacon to the consistent texture, the crispiness that you need. This is, I'm going to say,
9.5.
we're going to stop at like a 7. Yeah, whatever. You're such a baby cry. Let's go back over. Let's go over here. Come on. Come on, then. Oh, Andy, why don't you be my butter guy?
What do you have a butter guy?
Yeah, you don't have a butter guy?
I don't have a butter guy.
This guy doesn't. He doesn't have a butter guy.
What does the butter guy do?
He puts the butter down, bro.
Butter.
Yeah, lots of butter.
You go
Yeah.
to butter college for that? Yep.
So, the community college?
It's online. Oh no. It's
Oh no, dude.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna be putting out applications for a new butter guy because mine is. Okay, that's
Wait,
good.
wait for it.
How do I get this up?
Classic butter guy move right
Oh,
here.
We're gonna throw this out.
Yeah, we're gonna let that one go.
And he wastes.
All right.
Wow.
I was.
Charlie!
Charlie! Charlie! We're gonna go down with pancakes here. How big your pancakes are is up to you. You know what? I think that's a personal decision everyone needs. Charlie! Everyone can make for themselves. I'm gonna go that route. And today
And that.
in that route. I think yes, nice and round is the way to go, but you do you, boo.
You do. My name is the babe. Quiet!
Pancakes are so much fun to cook. They don't take that long, so when you start to see bubbles, that's when you know. You can peek if you want, like get under there, but you'll start to see little bubbles coming up on the top right there. That's when you have a good indicator. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
My bubbles.
That's when you know it's time to flip. So give them a flip, couple more minutes, stack them up, take them off, and now we're almost done.
Okay.
We've got bacon done.
Yes.
We got pancakes done.
True.
Now it's time to get some bourbon peaches. Bourbon, peaches, and cream.
Oh wait, you're using real.
Yes, I am.
Why is this here then?
I'll tell you why.
Why?
Thanks for being nosy.
You're welcome.
You might not have the season where you can get fresh peaches. These are Georgia peaches, straight from the land of Georgia. In case you're
Millions
wondering.
of peaches, peaches for me.
Oh, I don't know that.
Millions of peaches,
no idea.
peaches for free.
Look out! How do you not know?
Do you know?
Charlie! Do you know that?
I did, but I don't know the lyrics because I don't know the lyrics to any song.
Oh, by the way, I got an inspiration for this.
What?
I didn't even say this at the beginning. She didn't do this exactly, but Camp and Aaron,
Yeah.
she actually sang the song. That was her whole video, was singing.
Because she's cool and knows good music.
Yeah!
I feel like I didn't deserve it.
Nah, I don't think you did.
Yeah.
Speaking of bubbles, 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 bubbles.
Ow. Hey CJ, did you know? That was.
That's what that. Okay. I get it now. Okay.
So did you know that horseshoe crabs haven't changed at all in 450 million years?
How do we know that? Who was here?
the dinosaurs.
Oh, they let us.
I don't know.
Got it.
I just got off of Google.
Don't tell everybody.
I knew it because I studied.
You went to an online community college.
Yes,
You do
ChatGPT.
you,
And
you
they-
do you and boot. What did you say? You do you and
UBU,
You-
University
you
of
and
Butter
UB.
University.
that's it.
First
We're-
graduate.
That's
They're
me.
churning out graduates daily.
Anyways, they have blue blood because, similar to spiders, because they actually branched off so long ago. So they're
Oh.
more closely related to spiders than to crabs.
Huh. That sounds like somebody made that up. And that's okay.
Huh. No,
I like
how feel
it.
about that.
Huh. Huh. To the online community college.
It was a really good ACJ's a horseshoe. Feel bad.
I went on the internet and found education connection.
Now with Bourbon Peaches, two things you need. Peaches and bourbon.
It's not just a clever
Also
name.
what you need is a Blackstone that is smoking, literal smoking hot. Now the trick with this is you gotta go fast. You don't wanna cook these so long that they fall apart and they get all nasty and mushy. You don't even know what you're working with. So high
Do you need
heat.
butter?
I did.
Do we have any more butter?
Nope.
No.
We threw it away.
It's gone. So we're not gonna do that.
What the?
We're gonna use what we've got here.
Alright.
Alright, here we go. High heat.
High heat.
High heat. Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Check. And
Le Bourbon.
the bourbon. Bourbon of your choice.
Peace de Bourbon.
We're gonna do Maker's Mark today.
Good lord.
And because I happen to have a lighter in my pocket, and I had no idea if I wanted to keep my hands or not. Oh no!
Do it!
It's Cinched my hand.
I'm fine. Am I missing An eyebrow?
Next time when you're on your set and you have a lighter that doesn't work, don't do this. I digress.
Okay.
Let's get our
That was
Darth
fun.
Vaders out. Yeah, that was a whole lot of fun. We'll be back in like 60 seconds when these are caramelized and cooked up, and we're gonna be ready to build. Just stack up your pancakes. I did have one that was smaller, so I'm gonna make that one my top pancake. But this is where it gets to be a little nutty. We're gonna go pancake, whipped cream.
Whoa.
Pancake, whipped cream.
Whoa. Double whoa.
Pancake,
Triple whoa?
whipped cream.
That's a lot of whipped cream, guy.
And then we're just gonna put a little syrup on top.
Jeez.
And some bourbon peaches. And we're gonna play the wind and dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar. Now, it doesn't look as pretty as it did a few minutes ago.
We talked about your inner 8-year-old.
Yeah, and my inner 8-year-old is winning.
Crying out.
Like I said. Man,
Your
it feels...
8-year-old has diabetes.
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
Well, let's get into this. My pancakes are delicious, and you know what first?
What?
I'm just gonna try one of these peaches.
3 ingredients. Sugar, bourbon, peaches. Should be delicious.
Man,
Delicious.
it's really, really good. See how my pancake? Fluffy,
How about that fork?
excellent texture,
Fork good?
and there's no breakfast should happen without some perfectly cooked bacon.
Is that rice bacon?
It is.
Rice bacon's wrong? I want to be...
I don't want to be right. Speaking of being right or wrong, leave it in the comments below. How did I do? Would you try this? Would you give it a try? It was tasty. But also, speaking of comments, it's now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So pumped you guys made it to this segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Yeah, we do.
If you guys write it,
Who reads it?
that's right, and we get to share it with everybody, and sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's not. Either way,
It's honest.
starting from the top in no particular order, this one comes in from, KG Cooks.
Hey, Cody.
My girl, Karina.
Remind me of a West Side Story.
Mm.
Growing up in Spanish Harlem. Living a life just like a movie star. Do you know that one? What the?
Karina.
I said I love.
What the?
Your legitimate surprise that nobody was there was incredible. Karina says, Ethan likes the buns.
Yeah.
Hun, you could do side benzo sit-ups, but please don't lose them buns.
I can't use that clip.
Oh my god.
Karina, that was great. Yes, Ethan does like the buns. There you go.
Oh, man. What is going on? This comments of the week is rough.
Oh, I didn't even know you were doing it.
All right, this next one comes in from Mike Burns, 3147.
Hey, Mike.
Mike says, hey CJ, did you know
Nice.
you're awesome and Betty is a little more awesome? Just a little side note.
Just a little.
Just a little side note. You can't burn bacon better than my mom could. She was so good at it that the fat would be burnt as well. I ate and I
Sounds
loved
good to
it
me.
because mom made it. Just wanted you to
Yeah.
know.
I am a fan of that.
0 punctuation, bro.
Punctuation police over here.
Punctuation matters. Also, on my set, I'm the best. I'm the best there is. That's all there is to it.
And nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine.
Is this technically your set?
It's my freaking house. Of course it's my set. Saba Kanagara Naga. Too much goofing off. I get the quote, have fun, but feels like you're just stretching it for quote, content and clout. Cook was mid, overdone of course, basic. Ugh. Going to burn the building down. Yeah, that was mean, dude.
He always misses some mundane detail.
Like the vanilla.
Uh-oh. Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Okay, this one comes in from LX2NV. He's been commenting for quite some time. Ford biting, forking sucks. Makes my ears hurt. LOL.
Ford? What?
I'm a recovering fork biter. Get off of it.
I don't know. Recovering?
Sometimes I fall off the wagon. Fork and A. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show. Peaches, bourbon peaches and cream.
Yes,
pancakes.
Well,
they
all
were
the peaches are
delightful. And the cream all just disappeared. Yes, all delicious, all yummy. Give it a shot. It's gonna, like, the cream is gonna melt real quick. Don't worry about it.
95 degrees in Florida.
Yeah, in the summer, it's pretty brutal. Either way, they were delicious. Camp and Aaron, thank you for the inspiration for this one. And just remember that peaches come from a can, and they were put there by a man from a factory downtown. In fact, if I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone. Go to griddlenation.com for swag and shirts like this. If you want something up on the OG board, hit me up in the DMs on Instagram. But in the meantime, just remember this, folks. Aside from the fact that peaches were put in a can from a factory downtown. This is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
Millions of peaches. Peaches for me.
Look out.
Millions of peaches. Peaches for free. Millions. Okay.